Good morning everyone, especially for teacher Douglas Pelarola Velasco. And we talk about different essay. The persuasive essay, argumentative essay, and informative essay. First, the introduction. Persuasive essay. A persuasive essay aims to convince the reader to accept particular viewpoint or take a specific action. The introduction should begin with a strong hook, a fact, question, or anecdote to introduce the topic and present a clear thesis statement that outlines the position the writer will defend. Number 2, informative essay. An informative essay provides facts, explanations, and insights about a topic without expressing personal opinions. The introduction should introduce the subject, provide background information, and present the thesis statement that outlines what the essay will explain or analyze. Number 3, argumentative essay. Argumentative essay presents a balanced discussion of a topic, considering different viewpoints before supporting one with evidence. The introduction should start with a hook to provide background on the issue and state a clear thesis that takes a stand on the argument while hinting at supporting points. Next, the body paragraph of different type of essay. Number 1, the body paragraph of persuasive essay. Each body paragraph in a persuasive essay presents a strong argument supporting the writer's position. It follows these structures. Number 1, topic sentence. Introduce the main points of the paragraph. Number 2, evidence and explanations. Provide facts, examples, or accept opinions that support the argument. Number 3, counter argument or optional. Acknowledge opposing views and refutes them with reasons. Number 4, conclusion or transition. Summarize the point, connects to the next paragraph. Example: school uniforms create a sense of equality among students when everyone wears the same attire. Eliminates peer pressure based on clothing choice, reducing bullying and fostering inclusivity. Number 2, body paragraph of informative essay. In an informative essay, each paragraph provides factual detail about the topic. It follows this structure. Number 1, topic sentence. Introduce the specific speech, a specific aspect being discussed. Number 2, explanation and evidence. Presents research, facts, definition, statistics, or examples. Number 4, analyze. Analyze explains the significance of the information and updates to the thesis. And the last is transition. Leads to the text paragraph smoothly. And here we go, the conclusion. The conclusion for the different types of essay. Number 1, the conclusion of persuasive essay. State the thesis. Reinforce the main argument. Restate the thesis is reinforce the main argument in different words.
Paspas ibasa.
Okay. Number 2, summarize key points or highlight the most convincing evidence present. And the last, call to action. Encourage the reader to adopt the viewpoint or take action. Example, school uniforms promote quality or reduce distract and create a sense of unity among students. By implementing a uniform policy, schools can foster more focused and inclusive learning environment. Time for schools to take this step towards student success. Number 2, the conclusion of informative essay. Restate the thesis is reiterate the main idea without introducing opinions. Number 2, summarize key information or review the most important facts discussed. Provide final thought, offer insight or the bright significance of the topic. Example, the Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in global climate regulation or biodiversity and oxygen production. Understanding its importance can inspire conservation efforts and responsible environmental policies. Protecting this natural evidence is vital for the planet's future. And that's all. Thank you.